Hi folks, Michelle here today with the baby Cubby, and we're going to be talking all about Nuna's new diaper bag right here. This is their first ever diaper bag, and we're so excited to share all of the features of it with you. So first things first, it is $179 at retail, and it is a pretty luxe bag. So it has some good features, especially for those of you that travel a lot. First off, it's a really durable material. It's going to be easy to wipe down. You're just not going to be able to throw it in the wash, so be aware of that. It does have leatherette accents. So it has it here on the bottom with little feet to protect the bag. Leatherette pull handle, pulls for the zippers. And then a leatherette carry handle as well, just to really reinforce that for you. So if you have a lot in your bag, you're not gonna have to worry about this fraying or anything on it. There are two carry options for the Nuna diaper bag. So the first one is the backpack. And I actually really like these backpack straps. They're a nice thick woven material, and then the strap itself is actually thicker than a lot of bags we see. And I think that will be more comfortable overall, especially if you're wearing your diaper bag for a long time. You're going to notice that thinner straps kind of cut into you, whereas thicker ones distribute the weight more evenly. So you're gonna be a lot more comfortable in something like this. They're also, because they're such a thick weave, they're a little bit padded just naturally, so that's gonna add a little bit more comfort as well. You can unbuckle them just down here at the corners, and it has this really nice black metal hardware, which is just so sleek. But if you're not using them, you can tuck them away into this pocket back here. You can also use this pocket for other things like papers or just anything flat. We don't recommend putting anything of like real substance or like three-dimensional in there, just because it will kind of cut into your back if you're using it as a backpack. If you're not using it as a backpack, go for it, because it's not gonna cut into your back. But then they have this nice messenger bag handle as well. Just connects to the sides right here. It's that same thick woven material that's a little cushy, so it's still gonna be really comfortable, and it goes super long. So if you have a tall husband or you're tall yourself, this is gonna like give you a lot of space to work with, and you're gonna be able to wrap it around things if you need to. Now to get into the nitty-gritty details of this diaper bag. So it has 4 outside pockets. 2 of them are on the back, and one of them is where we just stuffed those backpack straps. And then that one kind of has a little flap that opens, and this flap actually unzips down here, so you can unzip it, and then you can thread this onto a carry bag, the little handles that extend, and that way it can just be right there on your carrier. You don't have to carry it around. So that's why I say this is a great travel bag. That's a feature that we don't see in a lot of other diaper bags. So if you're a working mom or you just travel a lot as a family, that is so nice to have in your bag of tricks. So the other 2 pockets are on the outside. They're once you flip over this flap. So we have a nice small pocket down here, and this one will actually fit an iPhone. This is an iPhone 7. And it's a tight fit, but it will fit it fine, plus like some keys, maybe some sunglasses if you needed to. And then it has a nice open bag here, or pocket here as well. It is a little padded if you want to use it as a tech pocket. So we have an iPad right here. I'll just throw that in there. So that fits really nicely, and I still have space for like if you wanted to put your phone in here instead, where it's a little bit more padded, or anything else. There's still a little bit of space over here, or you could turn it wide. Okay, now we're gonna cover what's inside the bag. So first off, it has a couple accessories that come with the bag. First is this great little changing pad, kind of carrying case. It's kind of an extension of your diaper bag. So it does have a magnetic closure, which is super nice and easy. And then it unfolds really large. So this changing mat is also has a magnetic closure, and it opens really big. So you're gonna be able to fit a really large baby on there, which is nice. Especially when you're going to like, if you're in the airport or you're traveling like in the car, and it's really wipeable. It's just like a kind of a plasticky material, vinyl material, so it'll wipe down really easy. So that's always good. And then it also has this little carrying organizer up here, so you can put diapers right here and wipes. If your kids aren't old enough to lay on a changing pad anymore, it does zip off, so you can separate these 2. That's also a good feature because together these are really large. They take up a lot of space in the diaper bag. So what we would probably recommend, just because most of us tend to not use a changing mat after a while, we tend to use just a blanket or just, get over the germs because it will build their immune system. So we'd probably recommend to just use the organizer part just for your diapers as a quick grab. and have the extra space in your diaper bag. Okay, the next accessory that comes with it is an insulated bottle warmer. So we have here your bottle carrier. So we'll just unzip it. Of course, it's lined with insulation. And then it does fit our Comotomo bottles, which means it will probably fit most bottles because these are larger bottles. And you can stick a cold pack or a hot pack in there, depending on if you're breastfeeding or formula feeding. You're trying to keep milk cold or water warm. And then just zip that on up. And it can clip onto the outside if you're wanting to keep it an easy handle. This just kind of loops around this D-ring over here. And then you can just snap it over that. So you can hang off the side or you can stick it in the diaper bag. Again, one thing with this bag is that it is kind of narrow. So we do recommend trying to keep as much outside of it as you can in terms of these outside pockets or like this bottle warmer, just to make sure that you have more space. So especially when you're traveling, you need a lot of space to carry like those little toys and snacks and things. So that's really what we recommend. Okay, now for the inside pockets. So first off, we have one large zippered pocket and then two small like kind of bungee pockets. And then we have 5 mesh pockets on this size that are all kind of small. So it's going to be great for keeping track of any small little things that you need to, manage while you're out and about. And then we also have bungees on either side. So they're not pockets, they're just a bungee cord on either side to kind of hold bottles or water bottles or anything that you need. So what can we put in there? Let's see. So we have our little stuffed animal. Everyone needs a stuffed animal to carry. So we can just stuff that right in the bottom right there for us. Swaddle a swaddle blanket itself. I would totally put this by roll it up and put it in the bungees, just so it's easy and out of the way and not taking up a lot of space. So it's easy to put in there. Then we have these little toys like this will go perfect in these little mesh pockets. So they're gonna be easy to grab, easy for you to stay organized. Put them right where they're supposed to go. They're not gonna get lost. Sunglasses, we all need sunglasses every time we go out to travel. So I would put these in one of your larger pockets that are on this other side. You're just gonna have a little bit more space. They're not gonna get scratched up or anything. They can fit wide ways, which will be good. Everyone needs snacks, so we have our little snack container. This is also a formula container, so if you're, again, bottle feeding, great option to have. I would put this on the other side where you have your bungees as well. So then it's gonna stay out of the way, not gonna roll around. You're gonna know exactly how to access it. We also have to have our snacks always. So I would put this again just in one of those pockets on the other side. So as you can see, when I don't have that bottle warmer or the changing mat in there, there's really a lot of room. You have a lot of extra room. It's easy to access everything. But now I'll show it to you with it stuffed in there as well. So again, we would recommend probably to not use this changing pad unless you're wanting to use it in on top of your luggage as a quick grab piece. Or just leave it at home and use it in your daily adventures in your car or something. So the last thing is passports, travel papers, tickets, the like. You need a safe place to put them. They're not going to get lost and they're not going to get ruined. So this inside pocket right here with the zipper is actually the perfect pocket for them. So number one, it's lined with a waterproof lining. So you can put your passports in there, your tickets, and if you have a leaky water bottle, a leaky baby bottle, leaky anything, they're gonna stay safe, dry, they're not gonna get ruined. On the flip side, if you don't have travel papers, if you're going on a car trip or something, or you're just going around town, if your child has an accident, you can also stick stuff in there and it's going to keep the rest of your things in your bag nice and safe. So just again, this bag is a great bag overall. It is a little bit narrow, so it makes it so you don't have a ton of storage space. The pockets inside of it are also on the smaller end, so you're not gonna be able to put anything super large inside of them. As well, it does weigh 2.7 pounds just by itself, so it is a little bit on the heavier side compared to other diaper bags, but compared to other diaper bags that are of the same quality, it's actually pretty on par or a little bit less. So something to be aware of. As in terms of pros, this bag is really durable. It has all of those leather features. It stands up by itself, so it's not going to fall over and get dirty. It's going to keep its shape, which is going to be great, and it has durability where you need it. Again, on this handlebar, on this handle, on the bottom you have the feet and the leatherette as well. And then it has a lot of pockets, which are nice, especially the integrated pocket back here to put it on your carry-on. So that's going to be super nice for you when you're traveling. So That's why we love the Nuna diaper bag. It's sure to be a good one and one that our customers love moving forward. Well, folks, thank you so much for watching our review on the Nuna diaper bag. We're so excited to share it for you. If you'd like to, you can shop this bag on babycubby.com, where we do free shipping all the time. Or if you're local here in Utah, come visit us at our store. We also have a rewards program where it's free to sign up and you get 5% back on every purchase in store credit, which means you can use it on all the other wonderful baby things that you need. We would also, if you enjoyed this video, we'd love for you to like it and subscribe to our channel so you can see all of our awesome reviews, how-tos. We'll see you soon.